When you need instant grab, long working time, and confidence on demanding installs, WAKOL D3210 Kontakto is the contact adhesive that professionals rely on. WAKOL D3210 Kontakto is a solvent-free, water-based contact adhesive designed for professional resilient covering applications. With a working time of up to 6 hours, D3210 gives installers flexibility without rushing the job. It dries clear and slightly glossy, delivers excellent adhesive strength, and can be walked on immediately after installation, helping to keep projects moving. And with zero VOCs, its low odor formulation is ideal for occupied spaces. Kontakto can be used for both vertical and horizontal applications of multiple materials on various different substrates. When used over WAKOL PU280 or WAKOL MS330 moisture barriers, it's approved for concrete substrates up to 100% relative humidity. Application is simple and efficient. After stirring, apply the adhesive evenly to both the substrate and the back of the flooring material using a microfiber roller. Allow the adhesive to dry until it turns clear, dry to the touch, and slightly glossy. Once placed, there's minimal repositioning, so accurate placement is key. Finish by rolling the material in 2 directions to ensure 100% adhesive transfer. Strong bond, low odor, immediate traffic readiness. For resilient covering installations that demand reliability and performance, choose WAKOL D3210 Kontakto. Engineered for professionals who expect more.